Good morning guys, happy 24th day of December 2025. At ito guys, oh, so foggy this morning. So ayan guys, hindi makita yung kalsada. Ayan. Time now is 6:35 here in Saratabida. So foggy. So ayan guys, look at that. Yes, that area is going to Camis, and this area is going to my work, going to Najaran. So ayan guys, so foggy, ang lamig. Ganito dito guys pag nagwi-winter. Ayan, grabe yung fog. Ayan. Ayan, pataas guys. O yun, so ayan guys, I'm going to my work now. Yes, that's maybe time is 6:45. So ayan guys, so yung bandang doon hindi makita dahil sa kapal ng fog. Ayan. Ang lamig dito guys. So this time talagang yung mga sasakyan ay naka ilaw yung likod dahil sa kapal ng fog. So ayan guys, tingnan mo yan, oh. Bandang doon halos puro puti. So foggy that area, walang makita, yung ilaw lang ang makita mo. Yan guys, napasok na sa work. Merry Christmas everyone. Today is December 24, 2025. So ayan guys, nandito tayo sa likod ng hospital building. So ayan, at pupunta ako sa aking working area. So ayan guys, nakikita nyo sa bandang dulo o sa bandang side na yan, oh, yung foggy area na yan guys. So ganito po dito guys, medyo late na nga ako bumawa, pero kung siguro mga mas maaga pa ako lumabas, siguro mas grabe yung fog. So ayan. Yan guys. Morning. So ayan. So yun guys. Oh, dito na tayo sa ating working area. At yan. So guys, doon banda ma-fog pa siya, oh. And that side also. So ayan. So guys, maraming salamat po sa manonood.